Welcome everyone to Forsage Trust Wallet, how to log in video after you register under your referral. This is how you log in to Forsage over and over and over again through the Trust Wallet. Guys, please remember, you can only log into the program of Forsage through your Trust Wallet. You cannot go through Google Chrome browser, no Firefox browser. You literally have to go into the Trust Wallet browser and then open up Forsage there. And I'm gonna show you a little key that I just recently found out. So I'm gonna click on Trust Wallet. Okay, I'm gonna put in my code. All right. Now, guys, what I'm going to show you here is I'm going to D apps. Now, guys, you're going to notice something here. Let me pause the video real quick. And guys, once you got the Trust Wallet open, you click on D apps. Now, this D apps is for Android. Now, if you got an Apple iPhone, it'll be called browser at the bottom. It'll be the 4 icons. So for me, I'm gonna click on D apps. It'll be browser for, those who got an iPhone. Then all you gotta do is type in Forsage. This is how you log in, guys. Forsage.smartway.run. That's the website. And guys, after you do that, click done on the Android. If you got an Android, after you finish typing, it's going to load the actual web page. You guys, you notice we are still in the Trust Wallet, and we went through the Trust Wallet browser. Now, the next step is, since you're in your Trust Wallet, all you got to do is hit the green button, log in automatically. That's how you log in every time. And guys, once you log in, make sure okay, you see I'm logged in automatically. So guys, the key here is make sure that you, when it's logging automatically, guys, so you can buy your next level. See right here? See right now, I got to go to level 2 on X4 because it got a warning sign. So guys, this is how you keep up, this is how you log in. So make sure you log in through Trust Wallet from now on and not going through the Firefox or Google Chrome browsers on your phone. Make sure you log in through Trust Wallet, through the D apps on Android, and through the browser on your iPhones, the Apple iPhones and stuff like that. So guys, this finally conclude this video. And thank you for watching. Of course, your affiliate link is at the top. Also, guys, make sure you keep up with the levels. As soon as you get 2 people on each level and next 3, you see Forsage X3. As soon as you get 2 people on each level, that's your sign you need to go to the next level. So all you got to do, hit the little shopping cart. I'm going to go back and change this to English. Y'all see right here, I clicked on the little DE, so I'm going to change it to English. I'm going to zoom in some more. I'm going to choose English so I can change to my language. And now I'm going to hit the shopping cart for Forsage X4. So you see what it's saying, confirm purchase. I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna hit approve. And guys, it's gonna automatically pull from my wallet. So always remember, in order to buy through this program, you have to automatic log in through the Trust Wallet browser. You cannot buy the next level by putting your ID number in. So I'm just putting emphasis on that. And guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna refresh my page. Yeah, which I can reload my page at the bottom so I can see it purchased. See, I reload, I hit the little circle and I reloaded my page, and guess what, guys? It's showing me level 2 is confirmed and the warning sign has been removed. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helps. And always remember, get back with the person that bought you in this program, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll do what I can as a member to help you all through my videos. Thank you.